Well, strip the rear end now. I didn't film it because it's pretty boring, but I'm burning the bushes out now. Let's put poly bushes in. This out. Apparently this is the best way to take them out. Just burn them until they're on fire. Obviously wear PPE and don't breathe in all that black smoke. But at the same time, get involved and smash that out once it's on fire. And then we've got a problem here. Both dry shafts are seized. I just built that up with WD-40 in hope and pray that it sinks in and penetrates and lets me release the dry shafts. Because that's annoying if not. But yeah, get involved, do this. So I went in on the new parts. New brakes, new bearings, new engine mounts, clutch, slave, steering arms, track rod end, the lot, everything. Which is good. Just like that. And then move that out. Ah! And do it all again. That was actually really easy. Now it's just going to burn. I think that will literally go forever. Round 2. Bastard hole in it. Some new can. Oh! Fuck off. Got a bit of a knack for it now. Now I've done the others. Right, get it nice and hot and then just give it the one bang. Maybe not. Try harder. Just showing off, man. Come on. Just like that. I just got to do that diff pushing. There. All the rest of them are out. I'm also doing the diff pushing as well. Not sure if I should do those or not, but here I am. Now I've got the diff out, I can clean it. Brake cleaner it until it's really clean. Just do that for a bit. Oh fuck! Good fire. It's warm. Just gonna burn it all out until it's done. Put these plates in there. It's hot.
Is it?
Yeah, it's hot.
No way.
Once it stopped burning, you can stick this little thing in there. Weld the gears up together first. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then stick this in there and just make it all one. I say that like I've never done that before. I have never done this before, so we'll see what happens. Weld the gears together first. Something like that. Plate in there. And then it looks something like that. Get it really hot. Round 2, do the other side, spin it 180, like so. Oh, just spent ages getting that in there, but you turn that and that moves. Fucking hell, that's hot. Ow. Why am I touching this? It's really hot. Yeah. Whoa.
Fucking hell, that's not going to break, is it? Yeah, she's welded alright. Yeah, that's not coming off.
That's how you fucking wear a diff, mate.
Diff,
Get it glowing. Mate, my fucking hands are burnt. That smells lovely, isn't it?
It smells cooked. Oh, you did it without fucking garlic, didn't you?
Huh? Yeah, well, I've had enough today. I'm going home. So, next video, I'll start putting stuff together instead of just burning holes in everything. Clear's on the way for this. Stoked on that. This car will be done in the early months of next year. I just need to get my my pennies together. Get the pennies together for that. And yeah, this car will be great, but the 36 is first. And it's come along pretty quickly, if I do say myself. But yeah, home time. Goodbye. Thank you.